Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video we're going to talk about the latest Windows 11 update for the main release, which is the June 2023 update, or the Patch Tuesday for the month of June, and the build number for this update is 22,621.1848. This update, as always, being a Patch Tuesday update, we have a lot of security improvements, but alongside with that we also have the complete set of Moment 3 features, because last month we got the Moment 3 update as an optional update, so not everyone got the update if they didn't opt to get it, but right now this should get the update to all or almost all users that are using Windows 11 on the main release. So in this video we're going to talk about briefly what is new in the Moment 3 update, as we've talked before, and also what is new in particular to this build that we're talking about today. So if you enjoy videos like these, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. First of all, let's talk about briefly what is new in the Moment 3 update, because maybe some of you didn't get the update yet and this is the first time that you'll get it. So let's list here briefly all the new features that you can encounter. So first of all, you're going to see improvements for the live captions and also voice access apps if you're using them, design wise, and also improvements regarding support for more languages in these apps. I think that is pretty nice. Also in this update you will be able to notice a new VPN network icon in the system tray when you are connected to a recognized VPN. In this update we are also getting the clock with seconds in the system tray. To enable that, just right click on the taskbar, click on taskbar settings, and then you're going to have to scroll down to taskbar behaviors, and at the bottom you should notice this new option, show seconds in system tray clock, and of course it uses more power, and you'll notice that you'll now have in the system tray a clock with seconds. We also have a new copy button for 2FA codes inside notifications so that you can very easily copy the 2FA codes. I think that is also really nice. Inside the file explorer we are getting the access key shortcuts in the context menu. That is also pretty useful, and also the multi-app kiosk mode is an addition in the Moment 3 update. If you want to learn more about these, make sure to check out the in-depth video about the Moment 3 update where we talked about every feature and we've explained it pretty well. But in this video, as I've said, I'm just mentioning all the features so that you have an idea of what to expect in the Moment 3 update. In the task manager we are also getting the live kernel memory dump, and you can get that in the details section and search for the system process, and if you right click on it you'll be able to create a live kernel memory dump file, full live kernel memory dump, kernel stacks memory dump, and also change memory dump settings. And if you click on settings you'll also notice that you have some live kernel memory dump options that you can use. This is great especially for developers. We are also getting new settings for showing the touch keyboard when there's no keyboard attached. You have a new drop down where you can select never when no keyboard attached or always. We are also getting the content adaptive brightness control, which can be found especially on laptops if your system supports it. Also, for those of you who have systems that support this, USB for hubs and devices is getting a settings page. That is also pretty interesting. And also you'll be able to notice the new presence sensing settings inside the settings app. Of course, if your laptop or system supports it, you'll have more options regarding that. We also have an improved search inside the settings app, also a changed print screen key behavior that you can change inside settings. Also, you'll now be able to set a limit of 20 most recent tabs when you use Alt plus Tab and Snap Assist. And finally, we have an improved cloud suggestion and integrated search suggestions. These are basically the most important things that you'll be able to encounter in the Moment 3 update. As I've said before, the Moment 3 update is not as big as the Moment 1 or the Moment 2 update, but of course it's still a good update that improves the Windows 11 operating system even more. And in particular to this update, as I've said, we have a lot of security improvements for the operating system. You can check more info about this in the article below in the video's description. And also this update addresses a known issue that affects 32-bit apps that are large address aware and use the copy file API. You might have issues when you save, copy, or attach files. If you use some commercial or enterprise security software that uses extended file attributes, this issue will likely affect you. For Microsoft Office apps, this issue only affects the 32-bit versions. You might receive the error document not saved. Also, this update addresses a compatibility issue. The issue occurs because of unsupported use of the registry. And also this update addresses an issue that affects the Windows kernel, and of course you can check more info about that in the article below. Alongside with that, we are also getting a Windows 11 Service Instack update, which will ensure that you receive and install Microsoft updates successfully. I think that is pretty nice. As I've said, check out the article below in the video's description if you want to learn more about this update. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.